People who are fast movers and early movers always make the most out of anything. There are people who bought WikiCard as low as 1.5 million to 7 million market cap. When WikiCard hit to 280 million market cap, they made a whole lot of money. The money I'm talking about is hundreds of millions when we are talking in Naira. Now, let me tell you where the next set of millionaires will be unlocked. The next set of millionaires will be unlocked from SMC waitlist. What do I mean? Currently, Sirmapy have made us understand that there are coins that are currently on a vetting, queue to be added to SMC DAO. Now, with how big SMC DAO is currently and how it is going to be if WikiCard secures a Binance listing, gets $2 billion market cap and the rest of them, you know what is going to happen, right? A whole lot of attention will be around SMC DAO, meaning that if you are able to spot the handwriting, faint handwriting of Sirmapy around the coin that is maybe under the SMC waitlist, and finally that coin makes it to SMC DAO, that is where you make the killing. Now, mind you, not every coin on that waitlist will finally make it to SMC DAO. And this is not a quick pathway to make 2x or 3x. No. This is a mid-term to a long-term process that you can actually make 30x and even upwards. Now, pay attention. Let me read what Sirmapy posted. We have over 21 projects on SMC waitlist. We are not rushing any of them. We are diligently praying about each one of them, doing our deep research and waiting on God to tell us exactly when to unveil each of them to believers. Now, the other one, he said, during the bear market, we created a wallet called SMC Waitlist, which contains tokens we are screening to add to SMC ecosystem. For a token to be included in the DAO, now, see, spot a project that is probably on the waitlist. Position on it. Wait. If that project finally makes it from the waitlist to SMC DAO ecosystem, my brother, my sister, you must have made a killing. What if I tell you that there are some coins that I am seeing the faint handwritings of Sirmapy around, and I believe those coins are on the SMC waitlist? What if I expose some of them to you, and maybe you take a long position? Probably, if they list on SMC ecosystem, you are mad. But if they do not list, maybe. Do you understand me? So tell me, will you like me to actually do this? Will you like me to expose the coins that I have seen with Sirmapy's faint handwriting around? These things I am saying are in the public domain. I have seen Sirmapy's handwriting around them. Remember, there are people who make money just following figures like CZ and Sirmapy in this space. People who follow CZ made so much killing from Ashtar. People who bought Ashtar at 0.08. When CZ handwriting was bold on September 24, Ashtar hit $2.4 from 0.08. That is a killing. Now, another way to make that kind of killing is positioning on tokens that are on the SMC waitlist. How do you know that they're on the waitlist? I'll actually teach you that in the next video. Thank you.